Directing my
So
customer
this is
on
how
how
you're
to
gonna
use
be
her
using
acne
this
skincare
product.
kit for
So
effective
in the morning,
results.
you use the facial cleanser, followed by the toner. Then you use the brightening face serum, and then you apply your oil-free face cream. Okay, here, the oil-free face cream. So this here is what you use in the morning. So this is your morning routine: cleanser, facial toner, face brightening face serum, and the brightening oil-free face cream. Okay, then in the evening, before you go to bed, after work, you start with the facial cleanser. So use the facial cleanser twice a day, twice daily, followed by the toner. Then you use the BHA facial essence, and then your repair facial oil. Okay, so this right here now is your night routine products. You cleanse, tone, use your treatment, which is the BHA facial essence. That's your treatment. And then you moisturize with the repair facial oil for dark spots. Okay, so you use this